Hi, Sek. May epekto po ba sa friendship between Philippines and China itong incidenteng ito? Because Senator Lacson said, we do not treat our friends like that and we don't expect to be treated that way either.
Siyempre, it will always affect the relationship if certain incidents of that nature comes up.
And the diplomatic protest is enough?
Meron na nga, di ba?
Okay. Please state your name.
Hi, Sir. Julie from DZME po. Senator Lacson said din po na kailangan magkaroon ng leader-to-leader talk. Kino-consider po ba ng Palace ngayon yun between Chinese government and Philippines?
That's the call of the president. Let's wait for him.
Okay, sir.
Follow up. MPC, other issue. A follow up. Tina and then Chona. Tina, microphone please.
Sir, if I recall it right, nabanggit naman ni Presidente kay Chinese President Xi Jinping yung issues, yung presence ng some Chinese vessels sa area ng West Philippine Sea. Pero nangyari pa rin tong incident dito. Do you consider this an act of aggression against Philippines?
Hindi pa nga natin alam yung yung exactly kung ano yung ship na yun. We want to find out first if it was intentional, ibang usapan na yan. Ibang usapan na yan pag intentional.
So we will rely on the investigation of the Chinese authorities?
Iimbestigahan din natin, di ba? Iimbestigahan din natin kung sino ba may-ari nun.
Sir, such acts, whether it's Chinese or any other foreign country or foreign vessel, it's not considered an act of aggression against
But
Philippine
definitely, if it
nationals?
is intentional, it's an act of aggression.
And what should be the next step po?
O, ano pong step? We will cut off diplomatic relations. Yan ang unang ginagawa ng mga pag mayroong mga aggressive acts. First, magdi-diplomatic protest ka. Kung hindi ka kontento sa paliwanag nila at nakita natin na talagang sinadya, ibang usapan yan. Our responses will always be calibrated, depende sa degree. But definitely, we will not allow ourselves to be assaulted, to be bullied, to be the subject of such barbaric, uncivilized, and outrageous actions from any source.